Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing my 8 a.m. summer morning routine. I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year, so I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and like today's video. So right when I get up, I like to do kind of like a little stretch to wake myself up. Then I like to put on my slippers on and like to put on my bathrobe and open the blinds to kind of really let the light in. Then I go straight into the bathroom to put in my contacts. And I've been starting to really kind of like to brush my teeth before I eat breakfast. It's just been something that I've been always doing, and I've been kind of doing it after, and then I switched back to brushing my teeth before breakfast, and I've been really liking it again. So I brush my teeth first, and then I go in with this kind of like silicone-y tongue scraper that I've been really liking, and then after the tongue scraper, I'm gonna go in with my mouthwash. I just like to do that for a minute. Then I like to brush my hair, and then before I do anything else. So at this point, I have not been on my phone, maybe just once to check the time. I'm going to now go outside, and I've been loving to do this outside. I like to do my Bible study and read outside during the summer. I kind of like to do it a little bit earlier so it's not hot in the summer. I've been absolutely loving it. I've been doing this for about 30 minutes, so I spend a good time out there reading my Bible and reading my book. Now it's time to work out. So I've been loving to work out on the mirror. It's been something that I've been really enjoying, and I just started a Pilates program on the mirror, and today was kind of like I guess it would be like an intro workout that has, so it wasn't like too intense, it wasn't too crazy, so I just wanted to do something that was a little bit lighter, and that was perfect. So now, after I do my workout, I'm not going to actually shower today, just because today is actually not my hair wash day. So I'm gonna skip showering. So now I can make some breakfast. I'm gonna do my go-to breakfast, which is scrambled eggs and some toast. Today I actually wanted to do something a little bit fancy with the toast, so I am making avocado toast. I haven't made avocado toast in a long time, and I absolutely love it. It was so nice. It was really good. I know this is a voiceover routine, or morning routine, but I just wanted to come on here really quick and say something that is, I was just going to watch a video on YouTube, and I just saw that Donald Sutherland just passed away today, and I was like, what? He's President Snow from Hunger Games. I was like, wow. So I literally just found out maybe like 2 seconds ago. Wow. Back to the video. Okay. Now it's time to get ready for the rest of the day. So today I actually don't have a makeup tutorial to film, so I'm going to be doing my makeup. Usually if I have a makeup tutorial or a beauty video to do where I need to apply makeup, I will just do my skincare. So today I'm gonna go in with just my skincare stuff. So first I like wash my face and then do like the skin prep, and then I'm gonna go in to applying the makeup. So that was my 8 a.m. morning routine. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next one. Bye!